Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I have this pretty cute, simple Valentine's Day inspired look. I hope you guys like it, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my concealer, the same that I always use. This one is by Juvia's Place and it is in the shade 15. Palette I'm using today is Purple Haze by Cara Beauty. I'm going in with the shade Cloud 9 and I'm just using a flat brush. I'm going to be applying this shade all over my lid, and I'm just going to really pack it on before I start blending. I used to use a white base, like a white pencil, to really make that color pop, but it would get really patchy, so I didn't like it and I would struggle a lot to blend it out. So since the concealer I'm using is lighter than my skin tone, it just works perfect as a base. So I'm just gonna pack on the color and then I'll start blending. Now I'm going in with the shade Baked and I'm using a blending brush. I'm just going to be applying this a little bit above the Cloud 9 shade that I applied, and this is going to be my transition shade, so I'm just going to be blending those two together. I'm going back in with Cloud 9 and I'm just applying a little bit more because it was kind of fading away because I was blending with the lighter pink, so I just wanted it to really pop. So I'm applying a little bit more and just blending it out a little bit more. So now I'm going in with a Bond Rip, and this has a glitter finish. I'm just going to be using my finger and tap it all over my eyelid. You can use a glitter glue if you like. I just find that this shade works just really good without the glitter glue. It just sticks on regular eyeshadow with no problem, and it doesn't really have a lot of fallout, so it's really pretty. I'm using this Italia Deluxe liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. I'm just going to be applying a very thin line of eyeliner, and it's just going to help the band from the falsies blend in with my natural lashes. For lashes, I'm using these Cavalli Lash, and these are in the style Carli. I'm just gonna be no, I'm just gonna be curling my eyelashes, and then I'll be applying the falsies. The band of these lashes is a little bit on the thicker side, so the eyeliner that I applied before, it just works really well to blend it in with my natural lash line. For my bottom lash line, I'm using a little bit of Cloud 9 and I'm blending it out with a small flat brush. Then I went in with the shade Lighter, which is a darker shade, but yeah, I forgot to record it. I'm just going to be blending it out with a small pencil brush. And this is the combo I'll be using for my lips. It is a Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black Currant. So I'm just going to use this pencil and line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm using this matte liquid lipstick by Dose of Colors, and this is in the shade Flirty. And I did go back with a little bit more of the liner and just lined my lips one more time just to make it look a little bit darker. Okay, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.